Okay, so you have make sure you configure your username and also the user.email in Git. So this is the error I'm having. I'm whenever I'm going to push the data to the repository by using the VS Code. So you have to perform this particular one. So now go to okay. And I'm saying open GitHub, Git log. I'm saying fine. If I'm saying git bash, so if I refresh and copy this one, so if I go to comment again and I'm saying that push as a private repository, it's going to push and it's uploading the files successfully published.